Hi farms, you're welcome to another video on NIE Tech. In this video, we're going to be learning how to block IP address from the cPanel. So the first thing is to log onto your cPanel. So once you're logged into cPanel, you'd want to scroll down to security on the main interface, and under the security section, you should see this IP blocker right there. Alright, so on the IP blocker interface, you simply want to impute the IP address you'd want to block. So for example, let's say I'd like to block this IP address. Once the address has been imputed, you can then go ahead and add. So you can see sources, users from the IP address will not be able to access your website. So that's the simplest way to block IP addresses via the IP blocker on your cPanel. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share and subscribe to the channel.